Every mama needs a really good cleaning partner. Every mama needs a really good vacuum. So let me show you how my Samsung Jet Stick vacuum and clean station work. So I'm going to show you all the accessories that come with this. Of course, you have your flexible tool if you got to reach up high and you need it bent. A turbo action brush, so this is for mga carpets. You have your mini motorized tool, and this is for your couch and pillows. A soft action brush, which is what's already attached, so this is for hard floors. And you also have these. You have a crevice tool and you have a combination tool for the areas like keyboards, bags. This also has an adjustable type, so it's already attached. You can adjust its height, so you can just press it for taller people and for the smaller people. And what I love is that it's so easy to change. Or you can just take off all of that, and if you don't need the pipe, that can go, and you can attach your mini motorized tool directly and clean your pillows. You hang it there, easy, and let it charge. So I love how this thing comes with a stand. It even has a battery charging station here. This is for an extra battery. It even has a part here where you can attach two accessories that we also use often. This is the clean station. So the clean station will help me clean out my vacuum without any of those dust clouds or without any of the dust particles getting up back into the air. So this is how it works. Like that, very easy. Open this, insert, stop, and everything that you just cleaned up is out of here and in here. Clean is what you want to achieve, then the Samsung Jet Stick vacuum and clean station are your best bets. Okay.